Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. Before I start talking about these interesting scenarios which are being flashed looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame, I just want to quickly aware you about our new update on our Crypto Anup Alts channel. Yes guys, if you are holding any of this coin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP or BNB, then you should definitely check this video right now. The link is in the description down below. So looking at this price action of Bitcoin using this symmetrical triangle pattern, those who have been following me for a while, you know guys, we did talk about this retracement price coming back to test the key line of resistance one more time before deciding the direction, because we can see the upper trend line from the symmetrical triangle previously acted as a strong line of resistance. Each and every time price got attracted around that range, we got rejected, and this is the exact line where we got attracted. And now what is going to happen if the support remains? If the support remains, then this here from the bottom till the top is where we could be getting attracted for the upcoming days, and that would be around 32,000 range. Yes guys, 32,000 is going to be looked as our price objective from the symmetrical triangle if we can remain above 30,500, 30,600 range, because we know holding the support above 30,000 means the price could be also holding the support from this descending channel or bull flag formation. Yes, the upper trend line acted as a strong line of resistance in the past price action. This is exactly where we got attracted, right? And now you can see the price is holding the previous temporary race line. So if we do manage to remain over 30,500 to 30,600, then the trend could be slowly starting this new impulsive movement towards 32,000 for the medium short term and even higher, because we know according to this bull flag formation, the price objective is going to be around 35,000 range. But for the medium short term, we just need the price of Bitcoin to hold this 30,500, 30,600 range. And now let me show you why that price range is so important, because losing the support from this 30,500, 30,600 will also indicate the price in the medium short term could be heading towards this lower trend line from this parallel channel one more time. Yes guys, this lower trend line is sitting around 30,000 to 29,800 range. This could be retested and price after that could go even lower. Why lower? Because we know the price of Bitcoin parallelly is also forming a VCPR. VCPR in more than 90% cases gets filled. I mean, price before ending the month of July, in our case, could get attracted either towards the top, central or the bottom CPR line before deciding the trend direction, because VCPR means the price is choosing a trend direction without touching any of the CPR line, and in more than 95% of cases, price usually gets attracted towards the CPR line before deciding the trend direction. So that's why, since this here is a VCPR, there is still a possibility for price getting attracted towards this 29,700 to 28,000 before deciding the trend direction. Now, not just only this guys, even if we look at this in a bit different way. So on my previous video, I made it very clear the price of Bitcoin, if it's going to follow this exact formation just like it from the past price action, then using this Fibonacci extension line, we can see we could be getting attracted towards this 1.272 100% Fibonacci extension level. Yes guys, this is the area where we could be getting attracted, which is going to be between 35,000 to 40,000 range. This is going to be looked as our upcoming target if the price in the medium short term could remain between 28,000 to 29,600 range. But for the medium short term, 30,500, 30,600 is important as well, because this is the exact line where we have this 0.5 Fibonacci line, which will be acting as a support because the price is above it. But any sort of impulsiveness, we have to overcome some key line of resistance, which is going to be around 0.618 Fibonacci line, right? That is the target from this symmetrical triangle. That means 32,000 would also make a lot of sense, because 32,000 is a 0.618 Fibonacci line. So if we can flip that, then you can see guys, the price for the upcoming days is going to look very, very bullish. So that's why our focus is going to be between 28,000 to 30,000 range. As long as the price of Bitcoin remains above that area, we don't have to worry, because the next CPR will also be an ascending CPR. So if the price for the month of July remains above 28,000 to 29,000 range, the upcoming CPR will also look like this. I mean an ascending CPI, and an ascending CPI only gets formed when the trend is preparing itself for this new impulsive movement. And now even if you look at this crypto on a buy sell indicator in a daily time frame, you can see guys, this is a buy signal. When the price of Bitcoin had this massive move after 27,000, this indicator has started to flash a buy signal, because we can see RSI is still over 50, but MACD is showing some sort of a exhaustion. So what this could mean in the medium short term, there might be some more retracement. Yes guys, there might be some more shakeout. Price might come back to test the support around 29,000 and even around 28,000 before deciding the trend direction for the upcoming days, because we know this indicator, regardless of what it is showing for now, it is still considered bullish, because the price, not just only in a smaller time frame or a daily time frame, even in a weekly time frame, is showing bullishness. Yes guys, if we look at this falling trendline breakout scenario and also this inverse head and shoulder formation, we can see this pullback was the pullback to test the previous temporary race line. If you don't want to look this as an inverse head and shoulder, no problem. We can simply follow this falling trendline breakout. And according to this falling trendline breakout, this is exactly where we are finding ourselves right now, right? This is exactly where we are finding ourselves right now. And if you look at this carefully, according to this example as well, there might be more range bound type of formation, price forming high highs, higher lows continuation, and slowly head to the upside. So that's why as soon as the price in the medium short term breaks the resistance between 31,000 to 32,000, this will be also looked as a continuation pattern, right? Price forming another high highs, higher lows continuation pattern here in this manner, because yesterday I showed you guys with this falling wedge price objective has been reached. But if we look at the price objective from this inverse head and shoulder, it is still open, which is around 35,000. So that's why in a bigger frame, you can see the price of Bitcoin is slowly turning bullish. But I just want you to be careful, even though, right, the bigger picture is slowly turning bullish, in the medium short term, there might be some more shakeout. Price coming back to test the support around 29,000, even up to 28,000 before again showing another continuation into the upside. So that's why please do not over leverage, use proper risk management strategies. So by saying this, I'm signing out until tomorrow. Bye bye.